OSHA 510 questions. Personal fall arrest systems, when stopping a fall, shall be rigged such that an employee cannot free fall more than or contact any lower level, 6 feet. Safety nets must be as closely installed to the workers as possible and be drop tested. When mechanical equipment is being used perpendicular to the roof edge, the warning lines cannot be closer than 10 feet. OSHA requires that scaffolding being erected, moved, dismantled, or altered be supervised by a competent person. On temporary stairs, handrails shall have a minimum clearance of 3 inches between the handrail and walls. A controlled decking zone can only be used as fall protection up to a maximum height of 30 feet. OSHA defines an excavation as any man-made cut, cavity, trench, or debris shown in the Earth's surface formed by earth removal. A trench is defined as a narrow underground excavation that is deeper than it is wide. A trench cannot be wider than 15 feet. Cave in protection is required for all excavations greater than 5 feet in depth unless they are entirely in solid stable rock. A ladder must be provided every 25 feet for excavations greater than 4 feet in depth. Spoil piles, material, and equipment must be kept 2 feet from the excavation. Excavation inspections must be conducted daily and before start of work. Excavation inspections must be conducted to determine soils classifica, tie-in. Cave in protection includes A. Sloping, B. Shoring, C. Shielding, D. Benching. Stable rock, natural solid mineral material that can be excavated with vertical sides. Type A. Cohesive soils, 1.5 tons per square foot, TSF. Type B. Cohesive soils, strength greater than 0.5 TSF but less than 1.5 TSF. 1/2. A Eurocent Type C. Cohesive soils, 0.5 TSF or less. A Eurocent Type A soil can be sloped at a ratio of 1/2. 1 if the excavation will be open for less than 24 hours and is less than 12 feet in depth. A Eurocent, any excavation more than in depth requires a qualified person to design the protection, 20 feet. A Eurocent, the classification of soil shall be made based on the results of at least 1 visual and 1 manual analysis conducted by a competent person. A Eurocent, the 4 modes of entry for most hazards are 1. Inhalation, 2. Ingestion, 3. Absorption, 4. Injection. Dusts, fumes, and mists are measured in weight per unit of volume, mg/m3. Gases and vapors are measured in volume of contaminant per volume of air sampled. ppm. PL is permissible exposure limit. TLV, threshold limit value. TLV, TWA, threshold limit value, time weighted average. TLV, SDL, threshold limit value, short-term exposure limit. TLV, C, threshold limit value, ceiling. Inspections must be done by a competent person. The 4 steps in conducting a JSA are A. Identify the job. B. Break into key steps. C. Identify the hazards. D. Select the types of controls. A safety audit is quantitative. Inspections are qualitative. An audit compares actual performance to set standard. The maximum travel distance from any point of the protected area to the nearest fire extinguisher shall not exceed 100 feet. All hand and power tools, whether paid for by the employer or employee, shall be maintained in a safe condition powered by TCPDF, www.tcpdf.org. 2/2.